Good morning, Lisa. Do you have a moment to go over the software tools we're considering for the new project?
Of course, Mark. I was reviewing the proposals. Which tools are you leaning toward?
I'm quite impressed with Asana for project management. It's user-friendly and integrates well with Slack, which we already use for communication.
I agree. Asana's task tracking features are solid. But have you looked into Monday.com? It offers more customization and might suit our workflow better.
That's a good point. Monday.com does seem more flexible. What about CRM tools? I know the sales team is pushing for HubSpot.
Yes, HubSpot is popular, but Salesforce has more advanced analytics. It might be a better fit as we scale.
True. Salesforce is more robust, but it's also more expensive. Do you think the added functionality justifies the cost?
If we plan to significantly expand our client base, then yes. Otherwise, HubSpot might be more cost-effective for now.
Fair enough. Let's schedule a demo for both platforms and get feedback from the sales team before making a final decision.
Sounds good. I'll coordinate with IT and set up the demos by Friday.
Perfect. Thanks, Lisa. Let's touch base again early next week.